everyone, how you doing today? Yes, guess the Gele we are tied today. We are tied the latest Gele, Ace Gele. The rule for the Ace Gele is 70-30 and it's so easy for you to tie. Just divide your Gele into 70 and 30. You fold in a little, take it from the front. Your 30 and your 70 can be in either side depending on what you're comfortable with. So you start with your pleats gradually. Make sure your pleats are very close together. Making its own beauty. Make sure it's very close together. Make sure you lay your pleats very well. Then you're going to bring your 70 on top. So this is 70, I'm going to bring it on top of the 30. Then I'm going to continue with my pleats. I'm going to continue pleating till we get to the end. Then from this point, you're going to start your fan. Take it back and start putting your fan. So just keep pleating it. Once you be pleating it, keep pleating it. And then we tie it together. That's the 70-30, remember? So tie everything together. Make sure it's very firm. When you're done with the bag, then you come back to the front, adjust any area necessary. Adjust it and then push it to the back a little, then your boots drop. So I'm going to adjust the front now. Make sure you don't lose your fan in the process of adjusting it. So you don't lose it. So I'm going to go to the other side and adjust it as well. So gradually, it's a gradual thing. You just keep practicing to perfect the art. You will keep adjusting it. Pull it a little. At this side, pull it out. Gradually pull it out. And move a little, push it to the back a little. I'm going to pull out more. Then gradually take it up. Gradually take it up. Want the ace to be higher, then you use like 5 or 6 away. Away, that's the strand of the ashoke. If you want it really high, like you want it really high up there. I'm going to pin that side a little. So I want to be like equal length with the other side. I'm going to pin it there. And I will make sure my pin is concealed, like it's not showing. Then I will adjust it back and front so I don't lose the fan I've already done initially. There we have it. That's the S Gele, rocking for that Owame party. So keep practicing at home, and please kindly share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification button. Can't wait to see you next time. I love you. Bye bye.